What is this plant? I think it's a weed that I inadvertently introduced into my garden. It grows from spring till frost and is about a foot tall with a dinky, fuzzy flower. Thank you. This is Miss Victoria from Memphis. I looked at that. If you look at those leaves and you look at she called it the dinky, fuzzy flower, I think it's mulberry weed.
Could be.
Because it starts off in a cluster like that.
Yeah, probably what it is.
In a little cluster.
I couldn't
right
from
in
that.
the crotch. Yeah, so I kept looking at that and looking at the leaves, down low. It's mulberry weed. That's what I think that is, Miss Victoria.
Probably.
If that's the case, that weed is tough to control because it produces a lot of seed. Do you know about mulberry weed, Mary? Tell us a little bit about it, huh?
Yeah, so you'll start finding it everywhere. It's very prolific.
Yeah, very prolific. It starts developing seeds very young, in this life stage. And it produces a lot of seeds.
One of those invasive.
Oh man, it can cause a lot of problems. And it, pretty much came up with the ornamental plantings. You used to see it a lot in flower pots.
We have introduced so many bad plants into this country.
Yeah. So Miss Victoria, I think that's what that is, mulberry weed. So it will produce a lot of weeds. That looks like it's a foot tall. Yeah, it's already produced a lot of wheat seeds. So do be careful with that, and get rid of that. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.